want to ask everyone one question. How many of you use mobile phones?
Everyone.
Everyone. Very good. How many of you use it for educational purposes?
This much.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Done. Why do you use it? Okay, next.
WhatsApp Messenger, you send the notes.
Alright.
Taking photographs.
For presentations and various other question papers of made and internal.
Very fine. How many of you use internet as such for educational purpose?
This much. My handwriting.
No.
50%.
50%. Only that.
Yeah.
30.
Okay, now we have to submit our English records today, and I'm sure none of you wrote about what is jam, what is describing objects and all in your observation. Anyone Google that? Why do you use it? And try to complete their notes. Anyone? Anyone?
We just took a printout.
Fine. That's it. You ready? Thank you. Just wanted to know that.
Morning everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
Akshay, and I'm from Mechanical Department of Vigyan Bharat Institute of Technology.
Oh, ऐसा क्या?
I'm here to talk about the youth suicides in India. Guys, in India, the suicide rates are most among the age group of 15 to 40 age group. And the country, India, is said to be the most dependent upon its youth. Youth of India are called the pillars of the forwarding Indian nation. But in this country, the most suicides in the youth are occurring. The reason for this is just a bad academic year, or a love failure, or something that's the pressure of studies from the parents or from family sides. Every year, around 500,000 people die in the world, and around 20% of them are expected from India. And South India is known as the world capital of suicides. This is the rate of suicide from 2000 to 2011 in India. It had decreased from 2000 to 2003 till from 10.8 to 10.4, whereas it again increased till 11.4 in the 2010, and it has decreased in the previous last year 2011 to 11.2. These are suicide victims by age and sex group during 2011. The most were boys of the age group 30 to 44 years. Causes. The main cause for this is depression. The common cause for the teen suicides. Mostly the peer pressure, financial problems, the problems which do not let us to enter into good college due to the problem of fees and other circumstances. Failure or loss, such as breaking up with a girlfriend or boyfriend, failing an exam, and witnessing a family turmoil. How can we prevent this? Action from the parents. It is about talking with their teenager about the suicides and avoiding to criticize him, showing their love towards the teenager, towards their son or daughter. They need to listen and talk to their teenager for some time. The weapons like poison bottles, knives, and many other weapons should be kept out from the home. And getting the professional help, which is the most useful in today's generation, 21st century, the counseling. Actions which we friends can do. We could take our friend's action seriously. What about he talks? If he is talking about suicide, we may inform it to his parents, or we may guide him not to do any such cases. But in this case, we should never help him alone. We should always take the help of an adult. Advice for the parents and the students. Students, mostly we need to get developed a positive attitude. We need to face the situations with every time with a positive attitude. We need a proper rest and recreation. That's probably not in the engineering life. We are busy with the assignments and all the other work. We need to maintain our good nutrition habits. We need support and guidance from the parents. Affirmation and praise from parents, the teachers, and everyone. We need some empathetic listener for us, and an unconditional love and regard from the parents and our friends. Thank you. Any queries?
I want to query. You said suicide
suicide rates in India. In connection with, I would like to associate BTech studies, especially first years. We always run out of time. We don't have time for ourselves, for our family, and you talked about cell phone. Even we don't have time to spend on cell phone.
No, it's not.
It's
Even if you don't have the time, you will be with your cell phone and everything.
So do
You
you
will
wish
make
to
it out.
make any reformation in BTech studies? Because it's not like a studies. It's not aiming to install academic excellence, but rather it has become a burden. Because you have 6 lab sessions, 6 subjects, and a lot of assignments to be written.
I said to you, you should take each and everything with a positive attitude. You can do it. You should never feel it as a burden. The work which we do is never a burden unless and until we think it's a.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. The question is very interesting.
But we are human beings.
Yeah, wait, please.
Yes. But we can develop.
Yeah, yes, very wonderful. But I have one doubt. As you have many assignments, large
Yes.
works, you want to commit suicide.
We don't want to commit suicide,
Navakra.
but we want to make
Correct,
certain
correct.
reformations which is leading to commit the suicide, sir. So if we make a reformation at this level, so suicide levels naturally they will come down. BTech studies, everyone wants to focus, everyone will have their own subjects. One want to concentrate on CNS, like CNS topper in our class. One is good at DTP, like Arvind Sundaram. One is good like and he is good at PM. Everyone have their domains.
So you
So
need
the student is experimented on each and every subject.
Amit,
And our CNS are asked, you can just fill half an hour. You can get the whole concept. Eman sir, अरे ना कॉमर्स सर ना वाले जा. Chemistry sir.
Navak, correct അടുത്തുണ്ട്
So this is the procedure. This is a procedure. When we live in a system, we have to follow the rules and regulations in the system because the rules have been framed only for the development of this system. So as we are part of the system, this is doing things are inevitable. So that's what are your suggestions?
But we must raise our voice, sir, to make certain reformations in JNTU. The way they
నవ్వక రే రే అఖిల్ 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 నవ్వకు ఆగురా కరెక్ట్ అడుగుతున్నది ఆగు
you have said that our advanced asked us to reach a formula. That's not the case every time. If you concentrate in the class, if you listen to him perfectly, you can answer them without even studying one stat.
Yeah, I agree, sir.
according to analysis, a human can concentrate only a 5% in a day.
No, you
But we
can't
can't concentrate.
It's not the 5%, it's not a fact. It's the thing which we do it.
I think we even in classes.
That's not the discussion.
So please, this is not a debate. So this is what
Oh, very.
just plus. That is
It is a fantabulous performance.
అంజాబీ గురుకా
It is a fantabulous performance.
Yeah, next, shall we call Lalit on stage for his PPT?
Yes.
అదే